If you want to make content creation easier and still keep your audience engaged, YouTube automation can be your secret weapon. Here's how to make it work. Start by picking a topic you're passionate about, but also one that has a dedicated audience. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. Having the right software can save you a lot of time. For video editing and thumbnail creation, tools like VEED can make your process faster and easier. Don't be afraid to invest in these, as they can make your content look more professional. Focus on what you do best and leave the rest to others. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are excellent places to find freelancers who can help with script writing, editing, or social media promotion. This way, you can spend more time creating and less time on the tedious tasks. You might have great content, but if people can't find it, it won't matter. Make sure to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility. Use keywords that your target audience is searching for. Pay attention to what's working and what isn't. YouTube's analytics tools can help you understand your audience better and refine your content strategy. The more you know about your viewers' preferences, the more you can tailor your content to meet their needs. With the right approach, YouTube automation can help streamline the parts of content creation that take up your time, so you can focus on what you love, making great videos. Try implementing these tips and watch your channel grow.